I pray for you. I want you to know that my love was real until you broke my heart. I said I forgive you, but instead my heart turned cold. Everything I am is just too much for you. You told me I made you uncomfortable. Everything I am drained everything you are. So I started to focus on me. Therapy. It taught me I was too much for you. At first, I shrunk for you, but then I got uncomfortable. So I pray for you. I pray you find a woman who makes you happy. I pray she makes you feel seen, safe, and comfortable to speak. I pray you find and seek the fullness of all you can be without me. I pray that instead of feeling like you're walking on eggshells, you create a life that feels like you're walking on air. I pray you know my love is real. I pray you know I love you still. I pray you understand that sometimes when you love something, it's not good for you. It's okay to let it go. Amen.